Okay, this is Panorama Trail up in the Golden Gate Canyons. This will lead us to a panoramic view of the Front Range and the Rocky Mountains, which basically you can see about 25 peaks right next to each other, starting from Berthoud Pass all the way up on the other side. It is a little warm here right now, but there is shadows of the trees and nice breeze or wind is also blowing, so it's keeping the things pretty much under control for now. I have plenty of hydration. So this is Mule Deer Hike Trail.